The Amazon rainforest, alternatively the Amazon jungle or Amazonia, is a moist broadleaf tropical rainforest in the Amazon biome that covers most of the Amazon basin of South America. The Amazon represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforest and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world, with an estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. This region includes territory belonging to nine nations and 3,344 formally acknowledged indigenous territories.